Billion and billion of people have died in cancer over the years. According to a report published by World Health Organization, the year 2020 alone witnessed nearly 10 million deaths due to cancer, where the most common ones are breast, lung, colon and rectum, and prostate cancers, where Australia grabbed number one spot in the 2020 highest cancer rates of about 452 per 100,000, followed by New Zealand, Ireland, United States, and Denmark. India lies much below at 167th spot with 97 per 100,000 and with more than 13 lakh cases. And still this disease is reducing population daily. But the good news is that with the advent of Dostarlimab drug, affected carcinoma patients will be now cancer-free. So, before knowing how this drug eliminates cancer, subscribe and press the notification bell icon. First, you have to understand how cancer works. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, and the genes present inside the nucleus of each cell instruct it when it is the right time to grow, divide, and die. Normally, our cells follow these instructions to keep us healthy, and we call this cell a normal cell because it acts normally. But cancer cells are different. A cancer cell doesn't behave like a normal cell. It starts to grow abnormally and divide out of control instead of dying when it should. They also don't mature as much as normal cells, so they stay immature. A cancer cell damages the tissues and organs of the body and weakens the immune system and spread rapidly to other parts of the body and damages them as well. To cure this abnormal growth of cancer, Anaptys Bio, a clinical stage biotechnology company, developed a drug called Dostarlimab and manufactured by a multinational pharmaceutical company GlaxoSmithKline or GSK. On August 17, 2021, FDA approved Dostarlimab for adult patients, and on 22nd April 2021 for women with recurrent or advanced deficient mismatch repair, or we call DMMR, endometrial cancer. Dostarlimab is a programmed death receptor 1 or PD-1 which acts as a monoclonal antibody used as a medication for the treatment of endometrial cancer in adults. Dostarlimab is diagnosed to the adult patients to reverse the effect of endometrial cancer by treating mismatch repair deficient, recurrent, or advanced solid tumors. It works by blocking the action of a certain protein in cancer cells. This helps the person's immune system to fight against the cancer cells and helps to slow down the tumor growth or destroy them. Patients received 500 mg of Dostarlimab as an intravenous infusion over 30 minutes once in every 3 weeks for 4 doses, followed by 1000 mg once in every 6 weeks. Per dose of Dostarlimab cost around $11,000 or 8 lakhs Indian rupees. Patients showed a complete absence of significant post-treatment complications as well as any signs of recurrence of cancer until 25 months from the end of the trial. The efficacy of Dostarlimab showed a great result. At the 2022 ASCO annual meeting, Dr. Andrea Sarsek, a medical oncologist, said, "We have now treated a total of 14 patients and all 100% have had a clinical complete response to Dostarlimab alone. No patients have required chemotherapy, radiation, or surgery. There were no grade 3 or 4 events. There have been no disease recurrences observed, though longer follow-up is certainly required to establish the durability of this treatment. However, some side effects have also been reported, including fatigue, nausea, diarrhea, anemia, constipation, vomiting, joint pain, itching, rash, and fever. But these are common side effects. Serious adverse reactions have been noticed in less than 2% of patients. That included sepsis, acute kidney injury, urinary tract infection, abdominal pain, pyrexia, pneumonitis, colitis, hepatitis, and nephritis. With development in medical science, scientists are working towards finding a cure and the best methods of treating cancer. This miracle drug, Dostarlimab, has brought hopes that cancer can be removed completely without going through long and painful chemotherapy sessions or surgeries.